In this lesson, you'll learn how to confirm a flight reservation in Arabic using practical airport vocabulary and real-life conversation.
So first dialogue is going to take place on your airport, because there is a person, there is a traveler. He came to the airport to confirm his reservation. He had reservation, but before leaving, okay, he came ahead of time to confirm that is the booking, what is the booking time, and what is the time to be here on airport. So all these necessary information he wanted to get. So to get this essential information, he came to confirm, and he is asking, the موظف. موظف mean, yeah, the employee. In picture, this one is موظف. Got it? Meme, waw, fa, and fa. موظف. موظف means employee. So this employee could be any employee, who is working on wages, maybe daily wages or monthly wages. He is working on, maybe per hour, maybe on monthly basis, but he is not a policeman and he is not a soldier. And there is no specific uniform for this kind of employee. So like bank manager, bank employees, and the airport employees could be other than the custom officers. Okay, custom officers, they are kind of police. So we cannot call them موظف. So the people, the employees in civil dresses, we call them موظف. And on the other hand, ضابط. This word will appear in next dialogue. And ضابط, he's also employee. He also work on wages, but he is the one who has a specific, uniform, a dress, like a soldier, right? Soldier and police and custom officers. Okay. So just to give you a distinction of موظف and ضابط. Okay, here he seems to be just موظف, not whatever. And this one is the traveler who came to confirm his ticket, his booking, his reservation. Okay. Yeah. So الموظف. موظف says أي خدمة, how can I help you? مسافر says, مسافر, traveler. This one, he says لدي حجز. لدي means I have. Yeah. لديك, you have. لديه, he has. Got it? Yeah. So لدي. So I have. حجز mean reservation. I have booking. So حجز means, حجز का mean होता है किस चीज को रोक लेना. ठीक है, किस चीज को रोक लेना, स्टोर कर लेना. So when you book something, now when you book a room, when you book a flight, then the same word حجز can be used in this place. So لدي حجز, I have booking, I have reservation. For what? إلى جدة, to جدة. وأريد, and I want تأكيد الحجز. تأكيد means تأكيد, the Urdu word تأكيد करना, the emphasis, right? In Urdu we use this word for emphasis, and here in this context it means what? Confirmation, because in confirmation there is kind of emphasis, no? Yeah, so they are related words. Confirmation. وأريد, and I want تأكيد, confirmation of الحجز, the booking. I want to confirm what? The reservation or booking. Okay, is there any issue? Maybe there is some issue of cancellation, no? Or delay. Yeah, delay in departure. Maybe schedule get changed. So that's why he wanted to be sure about this. So he said, Uridu, I want ta'kida, confirmation of al-hadzi, the reservation. Second word के नीचे अगर ज़ेर है, it means this one is mudaf ilayh and the first one is mudaf, and this is call is murakkab idafi, not murakkab tawsifi. Al-muwazzaf. So muwazzaf says, هل الحجز على الخطوط السعودية, is the booking on the Saudi Airlines. So there are multiple airlines, a spectrum of airlines they have. So your reservations, it was on the Saudi Airlines. So that is a question from the muwazzaf. Is the reservation on Saudi Airlines? Khutut is plural of khat. Khutut. Okay? Khat means a line. Okay? This one. Whenever there is a line, we call it khat in Arabic, and also in Urdu. Khat. And its plural is khutut, lines. And Saudi means affiliation to Saudi. So Saudi Airlines. مسافر لا, no, هو على الخطوط الإندونيسية, on Indonesian Airlines.